We're here at 1617 South Tuttle Avenue in Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna ride the elevator. And it's a general. We're gonna go to 3. Here we are at 3. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your emergency phone. A little hard to open. Here are your fixtures. Here's your inspection certificate, which it says expired in August of 2024. I'm filming this in December. We're gonna go to 3. You can see the building name right there, 1617. It's closing on me. 1617 South Tuttle. The door started shutting before it even opened all the way. We're gonna go to G. Actually, just because I'm curious, let's stop at 2. And look at that, the 2 button is a lot brighter than the G button. Here's your intermediate call station. Nothing too fancy. You have a GAL interlock. Now it seems like the door isn't shutting on me, but up at 3 it was. Just out of curiosity, cancel does not actually cancel the elevator call button. It only works during fire service. Just one more look at your cab. And that'll be it.